Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Amanda Hair. They sent me over this wig. This is their 360 lace wig, and today I'm going to try and show you guys how I am able to get the hair to look like this. It did not come looking like this, but I got it to look as defined as possible. But I wish I had let it just dried fully, so I recommend like washing it off of your head and just hanging it up to dry. Make sure it's 100% dry before you separate the curls, because mine is looking just a little bit poofy because I separated the curls too early. But let me see. Back here you can see it would be so freaking pretty if I just waited. Anyways, I'm gonna show you me putting it in a bun and how I got the curls to look like this, obviously. And this is the lace. You can see it's very melted. Today we're doing a no baby hair look, so if you're interested, let's get right into this video.
And then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shout her my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want.
Whatever she want, take her on the hill to the world that she want. Take a 50 clip and doing shit is wrong. She done lost her attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey.
I couldn't call your bluff. I could've came with you, I didn't know enough about the way you fall in love. See the way you lie when your feelings get strong. Try run away from me, I know you will, I know. Say you need space from me, I know you will, I know. There's no escaping me, I can't leave you alone. Can't need debate with me, I know you will, I won't. I know the feeling is too much, first time in love. I know you're feeling like you won't have no more control. It's a lot to take and I know this, can't help but notice. I feel the same but I'm focused. Let's go.
So this is the end of the video. This is how the hair looked. You guys already see me put it in a bun and everything like that. So if this is a wig that you're interested in, I will have all Amanda links down below, including this hair. It's so freaking pretty. The same thing I told you guys in the beginning, I wish I had waited for it to fully dry before I started messing with it, so it wouldn't be too poofy, but it's not like crazy poofy. It's nice still. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Like I always say, tell me what other videos you guys would like to see, because you know I'll be posting hair videos all the time. I need a little bit of inspiration. Bye.
Came with you, I didn't know enough about the way you fall in love. See the way you lie when your feelings get strong. Try run away from me, I know